And the name of our group is Bean Team. Me and my fellow group members have created and produced a baked bean tin can. We did this experiment with electronics and explore Arduino technology and how well we can utilize our computing teamwork skills.
My name's Abid. Our first job was to count tin beans as it rolled down a ramp, and for every 4 tin of beans that are counted with LED light has to flash, and which we will present to you now. But before we get into that, we'll be explaining the code used to carry out the task, and my fellow team member Karthik's going to show you.
My name is Karthik. This is how I'm going to explain the code. First, we have a count variable which has a 0 value, and we got another variable which is lead, which has a value of 13, and we got another variable which has x, which has a value of 0, and here is an we got in setup, in void setup we got a serial begin of 900 600. We got pin mode which is 13 and output. Here is an if statement which has a sensor value of greater than 500. The count plus plus will add one count which is the bin tin count. So every time the sensor is flicked, the count goes up.
Hi, my name is Dan and I'm taking over from Karthik. As we come back to here, so we have a count which counts each tin as it's rolled down, and the delay for each count is a 50th of a second. And so we have this formula here. So it's a value of x. So count as the beans are counted is rolled down is divided by 4. So x now contains 0. So if we go back up to int equals to x equals to 0, so x starts off with 0. And as we come down, as the tins are rolled down, the in value goes up. So when it goes up by 4, so when it gets divided by 4 and it comes to 0, the LED light flashes. So this LED light, as you currently can see, is flashing as the value's gone past 4, and is equaling out to 0. So each time the value comes up to a remainder of 0, the LED light flashes. And so we would, and as you can come back to the code, so every time, as you can see, as 13 is the unit on the breadboard, and which sets the LED light on, and you have a second delay, it's 500th of a second, and yeah, so we'll show you in the our presentation of how it works.
Here you can see the ramp that we've made for this bean can to be rolled down. Nice Tesco's baked beans. And now, as you can see on the computer right now, it's at 0, 0, 0. The count. Now, as the first bean comes down, it's gone to 1. Second can.
It's come out.
2.
That's all it is. Come out.
Third can.
Which one is it going to
And 3.
Where's it meant to go in?
The fourth can, which should also light up the blue light on the breadboard. 4. And also you can see the blue lights come on.